heat, no, you're never gonna look away. Nothing in between the diners and the limousines, only in the way we play. We got to hustle, we got to move along, we got to live it up all night long. Make no mistaking, we won't be breaking, everybody sing along. Silver moon, I wanna see.
So, going to do a follow-up to what is the most popular video on my channel. Oddly, is just kind of a quick video I did, kind of noting this car. I'm back in my in-laws' home where this car is being built, and thought I should do an update since so many people watch that video. So I'll pick it up and do that.
All right, do it again.
Last time the engine had just been built and was being assembled on the engine stand. He has been going through getting interior together. Clearly lots of wiring to be done here. Here's the original video clock, which is kind of cool. I actually went through and did some work on it to get it running again. My father-in-law did point out something that's kind of funny here, is the fact that it states Western Germany, because that's still back when the Berlin Wall was up. So Germany was still divided when this car was built. Engine is in the car and currently working on plumbing and wiring. The original harness for this car does not quite match the harness for the 7 Series engine, so he's got to do some work on those pigtails to make everything made up. He did kind of come through. He started the plumbing on the turbo stuff. Came through and showed me. So what you have here, if you slam the throttle valve closed, and once it senses that pressure, it's going to blow off that pressure right back into the intake side of the turbo. So it'll send that, instead of just backing up the turbo, is venting it back to the intake side and keep that turbo spinning. You'll see this duct down here. That is actually the factory set up turbo cooler, so that will run to cool the turbo off after it shuts the vehicle off. Intercooler is now mounted. I'm not sure if it was last time, but you see he had to fabricate and modify this chassis to accept the intercooler. He is considering putting in some holes here to give it a place for airflow to pass through and allow the intercooler to get more airflow through it. He kind of went in a little more to this electronic ignition. This module here is actually the electronic retard. So this is signaled to retard timing when it needs to, which, you know, for this age of vehicle is pretty advanced stuff to do that electronically. His air conditioning is kind of in. Transmission is not in the car, but we did hook the clutch. We put the flywheel on today, and pressure plate and clutch are in place. But it is certainly coming along. He has all the interior components here. As you can see, the car itself is, the body is more ready than the mechanicals, but it's getting there. This is the airbox, which is modified. This is your charge tube that he's built to mate up with the intake ducting that it has. So it's going to breathe through that, the turbo pulls its air from here and then charges it, of course, through the intercooler and into the charge pipe. Car is really coming along. I don't know if it shows up well. Yeah, it does show up here. It's a very dark blue interior. He has made some pieces to mate this Euro bumper instead of using the big American piece. The Americans had to put a big bumper stop thing in that era when they wanted shock mounted bumpers. These are original back seats. He has this is the original glove box. He actually went through and flocked this himself. The original back seats, and then this is all the ready to go leather for the car, which will be put on by an upholsterer. It's not something he wants to tackle himself, and I sure don't blame him. But it is certainly coming along. It's a heat shield he made for the turbo side that he pulled out while he's doing some of his mock-up right now. And just kind of get underneath here. You can kind of see the condition underneath the car. And we did slap the flywheel on and clutch on pressure plate today. But as this car has been this video for this car has been one of the more popular videos, I wanted to come back through and show you an update on it. There it is. So I appreciate y'all checking it out, and next time I'm here, I will get another update.
Questions. Burn it down. I killed it, it's murder.